pull the lever?
Pull the lever, Kronk. It's from Emperor's New Groove. You don't.
Oh, for the Kronk.
It's right there.
That it, really?
I got it. It's way in there. Pull. Alrighty. Look at that. All right, we're going.
And we're live. 1980 Z28 with a 4-speed. Numbers matching, recently restored, recently painted. This reminds me of a movie, Jake. There's a little movie called Fast Times at Ridgemont High, Jake. You ever seen it?
No.
Of course not. It doesn't make me feel old at all, Jake.
Have you ever seen Emperor's New Groove?
It's not the same movie, Jake, and it has nothing to do with the Z28. You see, this was Roosevelt's Z28. Yeah, I believe that was his name. It was Forrest Whitaker. Anyway, Sean Penn, aka Jeff Spicoli, he took this car out for a ride with Roosevelt's little brother. He ended up wrecking it. But since his dad was a TV repairman and had an excellent set of tools, he could fix it. Did he fix it? No. He came up with another idea, but you got to see the movie to find out. Cameron Crowe directed it. Let's move on, shall we? 350, air induction, white paint, blue stripes, blue interior. Like I said, rare 4-speed. It's got a cassette deck in it, Jake. You see, kids, a cassette was it doesn't really matter. It also has rear under defogger, and you got to love that. You got to love the BF Goodwrench. You got to love the spoiler. It's got a trunk. Now, Jake, this is a fuel door, Jake, and this is a trunk with the blue, the original blue. What do you call these?
Formats?
That's the ones from the car. You got the little spare tire, which I would never use, but it's very nice. Recently done, gone through, really nice car. Jeff Spicoli would be proud. I'd never let him drive it, though. Got to see that movie, Jake. Fast Times at Ridgemont High. I really, really recommend it.
Pop the door open, why don't we?
Why don't we? Because you got to see this. That's part of it. Look how nice. Look how nice. That's where it would rust, right down there. And that is the 4-speed. I honestly can't wait to drive this bad boy. So let's do it, right? Right. Starts up.
Gas?
Over a quarter of a tank. Jake, this never happens.
Well,
having gas is important, but not that kind of gas, Jake. I knew where you were going. It's 1980, Jake. Things were different back then.
Drives nice.
It does. I want to feel.
You want to feel the heat with somebody? Oh, you want to dance with somebody that loves you?
Thank you very, very much. No idea you're a Whitney Houston fan. The song you were singing was the great and powerful Whitney Houston. When she sang the Star Spangled Banner, I cried like a little child, Jake. Here we go. Man, does it shift nice.
Fourth. Look at that.
Yeah, we're there, all right. We're in 4th gear. Boy, oh boy.
Look at that decal on the hood. Isn't that just fun to look at?
It is. It's neat because it's a very period car.
I never get tired of that.
I don't get tired of any hood scoops, ever. I wouldn't get tired of a hood
This
scoop.
color combination is just awesome.
It is totally awesome. It's radical.
Totally stellar. Is that an 80s?
Tubular.
Tubular?
Tubular. Smooth driver.
Radio as well.
Mm-hmm.
We got AM, FM.
And cassette. Let's never forget. Lest we forget.
Yeah, we do have a tape player.
We do. It's got a rear under the fogger. We're not going to put it on right now, Jake.
Yeah, we don't need it. It's a little hot.
It's a little warm. It's a little, and it's got crank up and down windows, Jake. You gotta put your foot in it, man.
Much faster than I was expecting from a, what is this, an 80?
1980.
Not at all.
No, man, great noises. Love the great noise.
Want to get a good old-fashioned startup?
Good old-fashioned startup, Jake. That's the good stuff.
Oh.
Jake, I'm not sure if you want to drive this car. Do you want to drive this car, Jake?
I do want to drive it really badly.
Fine, Jake, you can drive it.